It's that time again. What's for supper Wednesday? Now sit back and watch. Hope everyone enjoys and thank you for watching.
Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having country, sausage gravy, and dumplings. For the dumplings, you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of butter melted. For the sausage gravy, you're going to need 1 pound of breakfast sausage, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, ground black pepper to taste and salt to taste, and optional 1/4 teaspoon of sage. Okay, to make the dumplings, we're going to put in our flour, our salt, and our baking powder. We're going to mix that up, get it combined. Next, we're going to add the butter and the milk. And this, it says to just stir until it's combined. You don't want to overmix, it says. It says the dough will be soft. I'm going to add just a little bit more flour to mine. It's kind of wet. There we go. Now I'm going to set this aside and make the gravy. Okay, now I'm just going to fry up the sausage and crumble it. I'll be back when that gets fried up. Okay, the sausage is cooked. You don't want to drain the grease. You're going to use that to make a roux for the gravy. So we're going to put in our flour. And we're going to cook that for a couple minutes till it gets a little brown. Just keep stirring and it'll come together. Okay, that's cooked for a few minutes. Now I'm going to start adding the milk. And you want to stir. And this will start thickening up. Okay, here's where you add your seasonings. You can use whatever seasonings you like in your gravy. I have salt and pepper here. Just going to go by the recipe. Now if you want a thinner gravy, you can add some more milk, or cook it a little bit longer for a thicker gravy if you want. I'll probably add a little bit more milk to mine here. And we'll just heat it back up here. And on to the next step. And just taste your gravy, see if it needs any more salt, pepper, or seasoning in it. You can add sage here if you're going to add sage. I'm not going to add it. Okay. Now we're going to take spoonfuls, or I'm going to put scoops of the dumplings in here. Don't want them to really touch. Now I'm going to put a lid on this, turn your burner down to low, and you're going to let this cook for about 15 minutes or until the dumplings are done. Okay, let's check and see if they're done. Easy way is to use a toothpick. Comes out clean. Let's plate it up and give it a taste test. Okay, we've got it plated up. Daniel, Doug, give it a try.
Okay. There you can see Daniel's arms.
Yep. Believe it or not, they're looking a little better.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks better than what it actually did.
It's probably hot. Hot.
From what I can taste, folks, it's delicious.
Uh-huh. Very delicious.
It did just come out of a screaming hot.
Cast iron skillet.
Yeah. Okay, so good recipe. Not...
Good recipe.
Great recipe.
All right, thank you for finding it, Dan.
You're welcome.
Okay, there'll be a printable recipe in the description. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune Each heartfelt rhyme, oh thank you for watching. From near and far, your support it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.